Hi YouTube, this is my L200. It's a 2020 Barbarian X. About a year now. It's been probably one of the best vehicles I've had so far to use as a multi-purpose vehicle. Van for work and obviously a leisure vehicle for the weekends, etc. I've done quite a few bits to it since I've had it. Arch extensions, different size steps. It's a big chunky wheels on there. I've actually put the Terrain Tamer Pro Kit suspension on there as well, as you can see with the damping. It's been a great truck. As you can see, it's filthy on here because it's just done solidly a 10 days of ice and snow. It's just thawed out now in West Yorkshire. Got the bonnet protector on there. It's a nice little touch, makes them look a little bit more aggressive at the front. Some people like these, some people don't on the front end. I love it. It's just a little bit more modern looking. Got the Mitsubishi roof bars on there. It's got some wind deflectors on it. Got the truckman canopy on the back there because I've had a couple of different varieties on this one, but the canopy works really well for work. So you can see on the central locking of the vehicle, it's illuminated, etc. It's just a nice, reasonably dry, can I say, back. That seems nice and secure. On my truck, as you've probably seen in the last video, I've got the central locking tailgate on there as well, so 2 points of locking in the back. So I'm going to go home and wash it. There we go, guys. I've washed the truck. A bit cleaner looking now. It's really cold outside. It's just over 1 degree, so it's not the best wash, but it is freezing. But you can see, looks great. It's got a nice plate on it. I've got the UTL plate on there because it's a utility vehicle. The side steps are the Series 5 Shark ones. They just make it a little bit more off-road looking, a little bit more aggressive. And those wheels, as you can see there, those the black Rhino wheels with the 285/65/18 tyres on there. They do scrub a little bit at the front, a little bit of arch lining cut, but they look really good, a little more aggressive. I hope you've liked this video. It's just my L200. I like it. It's been a good truck. For me to keep a vehicle a year is obviously quite crazy because I never keep them. So thanks for watching, guys.